What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is how you change an axle. Let's get straight into it. First, I'm going to start by jacking your car up, supporting it with some jack stands, getting your wheel off, and removing this pin right here. That'll allow you to get to the spindle nut, which will allow you to do a whole bunch of other stuff that we'll get into in just a minute. Let's get started with first things first. So once you go ahead and get that nut off, you lay down on the ground like me, get up underneath, and then you start to take these guys off. Once you do the bottom half, you're gonna have to rotate the axle, do the top half, then you come back out, start to hammer this guy in, and remove your axle. I'll show you how in just a minute. All right, and once you have those bolts out, this guy should fall right out of place, like so. Then take a hammer or whatever, beat the hell out of that. It should fall right on through. Oh, my underglove. I gotta be real careful.
Oh, that's what's stopping it?
Yeah, that's the only thing holding it up right now. But as you guys can probably see, you remove the axle out. It's a tricky way to do this, so I gotta put the phone down. But
cut the muffler off.
Yep, that's the easiest way. But we're gonna see if we can do it without doing that. I'll be right back. It's such an awkward position.
You gotta like.
I think you gotta get it up by the bucket, like up and to the right a little bit more. And it's out.
It's broken for sure.
Oh no! Our axle is broken. Fucking shake weight.
It's broken up here, huh?
Yeah, it's broken right in here. It's like metal on metal. Well, just take it to AutoZone.
We did.
All right, now that you got it out, quick tip. If you go to AutoZone, get the Duralast Gold or whatever, you get a lifetime warranty, so you can break it, bring it back, and get another one for the free. Was what I did. Got this guy. Now it's time to put it back in here. Simple, same process as I just showed you, but in reverse. And we'll be back rolling. Now, let me see.
Oh my God.
Let me see. Pro tip, guys, if when you're going to put this pin back, it breaks in half like mine did, you do exactly what you see us doing here. Unfolding it and repurposing it. I don't recommend this for long-term use, but if you're in a bind like I am, just pop that bad boy back in and then bend it up and you should be good to go. Let me see. Yeah, just hit it.